Hello everyone, I'm Nitisha from the 9 Pointer and today we are going to make this electric bulb in AutoCAD. This is our second drawing in our intermediate 2D practice problem playlist, so do check out our earlier videos. And if you are a complete beginner, then check out our level 1 practice problem playlist. I will put its link in the description below. So let's start. Let's turn on our dimension layer. Let's zoom to fit it in and let's take our pan command and move it towards left. Okay, so I will start with making this outer circle. So let's go and select our circle command. I'm snapping the same center point. You can start from anywhere you like. So our radius is 60. So enter 60 and enter. Now we are having a total height of 185. So I'm going to make a line that would be the reference for us from the middle. So let's make a line of 185 and press enter and escape. Okay, so here we see at the bottom we are having a rectangle of width of 50 and height of also 45 plus 5, that is 50. So let's take our line command and let's make our rectangle. To the right it will be 25, half of 50, and it will be up, it will be 50. We'll make towards left 50, bottom 50, and let's just close it. Now for convenience, I'm going to just join these two lines. Go to this modify drop down and select this join command. Now I'm going to offset some of the lines here. So let's go to this offset command, enter our distance of 5 units, and let's just offset here 1, 2, and 3, and one more from the upside. Okay, so here our total width is 50. Another from the one and second line is 40. So let's make these lines now. I will press enter. From here it is 40, so I am extending our line to 20 and close it here. So let's just select this line and use our mirror command. And do you want to erase? No, we don't. Okay, so one more line we need here at the bottom. Here it will be at 20, so this will be 10. I'm extending to 10. Let's make perpendicular and let's go here of 5 and close it here. We don't need this line, we don't need this line, and we need this line to go mirror on the same on the left side also. So let's take the mirror command, draw perpendicular. We don't want to erase source object. Now let's just trim the outer portions which we don't need. Let's trim these, this and this, and same to the right. Okay, now we need our inclined lines. Our inclination start from this endpoint and go to 5 offset. So let's take this line command. I'm extending to 5, so enter 5 and press enter. My line started from this point and just click it here. Now we want to copy these lines, so just select this line. We'll select this line, go to this copy command. We'll copy from this end. So I will enter 5, now 10, 15, 20, and 25 and press escape. So we have made this now. Okay, so now we can, okay, now what we have to do? Now we have to join our circle and our rectangle, so, with a fillet of 40 radius. So let's go to this fillet command. At the bottom in the command line, let's go to this radius, enter a radius of 40 units, and I'm going to choose multiple here. So let's just select this circle and select this line. Again, select this circle and select this line and press escape. Now let's just trim some of the portions. We don't need this line and we don't need this line. So we got our bulb boundary. Now we have to make inner portions. So let's just do like this. We are having this rectangle of 15 and 20. So let's go to this line command. Half will be 7.5. So enter 7.5. There 20. Now our line will be 15 this side. I'm at the bottom. Make it perpendicular and escape. Now we are having another trapezoid. So just extend to 2.5 height. Towards right it will be 2.5 because our width is 5. And let's just join this and press escape. Let's just select these two. Use mirror command and like this and erase. No, we don't want to erase. Now our base is 5 and our height is 25 here. So let's go and take our line command. Select this point, go 25 and enter. Now this will be 5 and bottom will be also 25 and escape. Escape. Now we want this small rectangle here of 10-meter width and 2.5 unit depth. So let's take our line command again. Our half will be 2.5 height, so we'll take this point and go upwards of 2.5. Now we want this rectangle of 10 width and 2.5 height. So let's take our line command. We will just extend this point to 2.5. 2.5. Now this is 10, so right will be 5. Enter. Again at bottom it will be 2.5 and just close it here and press escape. So let's just select these three lines, go and take our mirror command from the center portion. So let's just select these three lines. Go to this mirror command from the center portion and we don't want to erase source object. So we are done with our rectangles. We are final. So let's go and see what next. We have to make these lines here. Its height, total height till the top is 77.5. So let's make a line here. First, let's just delete this line. We don't need it anymore. Select and delete. Now we will make a line from the bottom. Let's make it from the center to 77.5. And let's just make one line this side and one line this side for our reference. Now we want this width of 20. So from the center, half will be 10. This is 10. And we are going to join it this place. We will go to this point. We will not click. We will just take the snap to this top line and click. Now we can just mirror this. Select this line. Go to our mirror command from the center like this, and we don't want to erase our source object. Also, again, we want our another line. So our total width is 50. So our half distance will be 25. So let's just select this line command. From here, let's make a line of 25. It's okay if you are making double line, we are going to trim it anyway. And let's go to the bottom. And we have to click at this midpoint. Again, we'll do same thing towards right. So let's just select this line and go to this mirror command. Mirror it from the center. And don't select. So let's just delete these lines. extra lines. We just don't need them. Okay. Now what we want to do, we can also delete the center line. We don't need it. Now for these arcs, we know that this is at the depth of 5. So we will make a line which is at the depth of 5 and we will use 3-point circle command to make the arcs. So let's just take our lines. I am making 3 lines so that I can take the midpoints of them. It would be easier. So let's choose this, go down of 5 and enter. Press escape. Again press enter to repeat the command. Again at this point 5, escape and enter and make of 5. Now we will use 3-point circle. Go to this drop down. Here is the 3-point circle. So let's just select this point, second point and our third point. Now again we'll choose the 3-point circle. Select this point, select this point and select this point. Once more at this position, select this point and select this point. Now let's take our trim command and trim our unwanted portions. Now we are only left with our hatching. So let's go to this hatch tool. We will select solid hatch and we will do hatch at this portion and close creation. Let's just turn off our dimension layer and see. Okay, that's it. So we have made our final drawing here. So if at any point you're facing any difficulty, then feel free to message us or you can even mail us on our mail ID. If you want to access this DWG file, you can access it from our GitHub account. I will put its link in the description below. So thank you everyone. Please do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.